chickens, welcome back to my video. So this is me doing a ice cream Lego, but it's not like a real ice cream. It's like a ice cream store. So we already completed this. I forgot to record. Then we're just gonna get this. Put it. I think. Wait a minute. So put it here. Oh, it fell. Where's my fries? And I'm also gonna make a part 2 for this. Megan, help me. You put this here or here.
Asan ba yung ano?
Ito, lagay mo dyan. Because for videos, it's small.
Tapos?
Put mo dyan. Pretty hard eh. Kasi when I do it natatanggal. Yeah, thank you. So this is 1 and 2. Ito naman. What's next? And this. Ano ba? All of this here. Ito number 2, diba? Huh? I'm lagging. I'm lagging. My brain is lagging. Can you help me? My brain is lagging.
Where's the ano?
First one. Naka-ready na here. Because we'll have to mix them up. And be careful with the small parts. So guys, we have this now. Ito next.
Mali.
Ito next.
No. Pwede. Malito. Dito.
Bali, ano.
Kasi may isa pang ano. Isa.
One more one.
Oh, careful there. Wala yan. Okay.
Dito mo. We have this.
Oh, this one. Ate.
Pwede po. Ito ang tatay mo. Where's my picture? Like,
okay, ate? Basta small. Ano ba yun?
Ayun.
Maluwang yung buko mo. Ano ba yun? Wow, look at the bully! Look at the bully, oh.
It's my shampoo.
French bulldog, oh.
Ano yung bigay mo sa SM? Just a bird.
Ay, oh, bully!
Yeah, it's a cute
Look!
one. Buffy. Buffy o Buffy? Gosh.
Look at ito, go. Ang hamo. 10 million
Can I
pesos.
see them? Look, we have this now.
Nasaan na to? This one.
Look, oh, 10 million pesos, dog. Ay, laki. Laki, oh. Naka-uniform to.
It's clear. Clear siya.
Yung baby, ah.
Look.
Tatawag ka.
Oh,
Ito meron.
ganda, oh.
Wala.
Laki ng ulo.
Baka ito yun.
No, it's not that. It's here.
Look, oh.
Ano kayo na ba natin? But did we put it now here?
Yung purple.
Here. I tried to find it while you completed it.
What?
Wow.
Ah, found it! It's clear when you see it. Pero when you see it in the
Oh,
paper,
laki
it's
nung
not.
ano. Giant poodle. Laki. Mas malaki pa sa tao. Giant poodle.
Kaya nga giant eh, malaki.
Baby giant. Okay, thank you. About si baby giant, maliit lang siya.
Giant baby.
Baby giant kasi tanggol. Laki ng giant poodle, oh. Look, oh, laki. Yay!
You are very smart. Hi chicken, so we have this now. Can't really like bend it. Chickens.
Laki, oh.
I'll go pause, guys. Pause, guys. I'm gonna go to the bathroom wash my hands.
What?
Hi, chickens. So now I am back. Ito, ba't mo inalis to? Ito. Dapat kasama ito. Ito na lang.
9. 6. 7 pala.
Here, this is 7. Ito, lahat to 7. Ata. Yeah, that's 7. At dalawa ba? Oh, I forgot. Dalawa pa. Dalawa dapat.
Ang taga.
Ay, naku. Wag mong ganyan eh. Mahirap maghanap niyan. Patrice. Don't do that. I will not help you anymore. Bitaw mo.
Me, tomorrow na ulit. Sakit na back ko.
Oh, sige, balik mo na.
Bye, chickens. Part 2 is tomorrow. Bye, chickens.
Okay na, Han?
Bye,
Check mo.
chickens.